Discuss about mathematics fourth class. Today we will discuss about mathematics fourth class. First of all, we know about numbers. What is the numbers? Already you know natural numbers. Natural numbers. What is the natural numbers? Natural numbers can be started 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, dash, 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 dash. So this is called natural numbers. First of all, we discuss about place values. What is the place value? Now I will give one number 1234. So this is one number. So this one number we will discuss first of all place values. So this is ones place. This is ones place. This 3 is tens place. This third one is 100th place. This fourth one is 1000th place. So now first of all this is one of the number. This one number here given 4 digits. These 4 digits we discuss first of all place values. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is 100th place. This is 1000th place. Now this number name is 1234. So these like numbers we discuss in earlier classes, like third classes we all discuss these numbers. Now we will going to discuss about review exercise in fourth class. So I will explain first of all one question, then after I am giving here answers. So first of all question here, answer the following questions. All members open your books and take pencils, page number 1. I am repeated again. All members open your books and page number 1 take pencils. Only you can write in your books, pencil to only write. Don't use pen. Okay. First of all, first question is answer the following questions. First question, which is the largest one digit number? Again I am repeated. Which is the largest one digit number? So I am writing here. Which is the largest one digit number? So answer is, first question answer, which is the largest one digit number given here. So one digit number is biggest number 9. 9 is the biggest one digit number. So again second question, which is the largest 2 digit number? Which is the largest 2 digit number? So you know 2 digits means already I will explain just before. Second answer is 2 digit number. They are given largest. Largest means biggest. Only 2 digits. 9 and 9. This number name is 99. This is the largest biggest number. So third one question is write the largest 3 digit number. Here given largest 3 digit number. You know already third answer is largest 3 digit number given. So 999. Ones, tens, hundreds. So this is 3 digits. This number name is 999. This is the largest 3 digit number. Next fourth one is which is the largest of all 4 digit numbers? Here given largest 4 digit number asking here. Fourth one answer is largest 4 digit number 9999. This is the 4 digit largest number. This answer is right in your book. Fourth answer there right. Next fifth one, write the smallest and largest 5 digit number. Here given one smallest number and one largest number. You write one first of all smallest number, then after write largest number. I am telling here SN. SN means smallest number. Right? First of all, how many digits? 5 digits smallest number. You know 5 digits to smallest number? 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 is smallest 5 digit number. See here, only 5 digits have here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 digits have. This is the smallest 5 digit number. Then after they are given largest number. LN. Largest number. You know already which is the largest 5 digit number. 4, 5 nines. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. You know already 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have all 5 digits. Now you how to read this number? 99,999 is the biggest 5-digit number. Understand, students? Now, these are I have written on here. These are right in your book. That is only page number first. You write only pencil. Don't use pen. Okay. Next, second bit. We will going to discuss about second bit. Answer the following questions. Here given some questions. Now you write answers. So I am going with first question. Which is the smallest 2-digit number? So we discuss about just before largest numbers. Now we are going to discuss about smallest number. You are asking which is the smallest 2-digit number? Smallest 2-digit number. You know, only biggest 1-digit number is 9. This is biggest number. But you are asking smallest 2-digit number asking. So you write smallest number. First one answer. Smallest number, that is 2-digit number. Which one? That 10. 10 means what? 10. You know here how many digits have here? 2 digits. 1 and here 2. Ones place and tens place. This is the smallest 2-digit number. Understand? Next, second question. Write the smallest 3-digit number. Just before we write biggest 3-digit number written. Now you write the smallest 3-digit number. You know these also second one answer is smallest 3-digit number 100. Here have 3 digits 1, 2, 3. This is the smallest 3-digit number. Again the lower again one smallest number not as there. Have but -1 you get 99. That is the biggest 2-digit number. Okay. So next one, third one, beta. Name the smallest 4-digit number. Name the smallest 4-digit number asking. Smallest 4-digit number. Already you written biggest 4-digit number. Now you write the smallest 4-digit number. You know these also. What is that number? 1000. What is that? 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4. These have all 4 digits. These have smallest 4-digit number. They are asking name also asking. So they are right here side 1000 ONE THOUSAND 1000. What is that? 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. We will successfully completed 2 bits. Now we will going to discuss about third bit. Do the following sums. We are asking what sums. Sums means what? You know, sum means kaluputa, addition. Sum means what? Addition, kaluputa. Rendu em cheyali? Kalapali. Already మనం discuss చేసినాం third class లోపల. Again one time we will going to discuss about sums. So first one bit, write the largest 4-digit number and the largest 3-digit number. Find the difference. Here given difference. Difference means what? Minus. You know minus means what? Teesiveda. So first of all here given in your book all members turn paper second and third bit in first sub bit first one. Largest 4-digit number. Here only given largest 4-digit number given there. This L means largest, 4 means 4, N means number. So you write largest 4-digit number, you already written there. What is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. This is the largest 4-digit number. Then after they're given downside, largest 3-digit number given there. Largest 3-digit number, you know. What is the largest 3-digit number? Largest 3-digit number 999. So here what asking? Minus. You know difference. Difference means what? Minus. So now you write here. You did big mistake. You written this like after writing here. These 999 you write here are there. That like don't write. You write perfectly. This ones place below ones place right, and tens place below tens place right, and thousands place below thousands place right, hundredth place below hundredth place right. Okay. Now you do what? Difference. You know already. 9. Here are 1 to place to which digit have 9 number. So 9 from 9 you get 0. Again 1. Now come tens place. 9 from 9 you get 0. Again 9 from 9 you get 0. Next here 9 have here nothing is there. Nothing is you like you think here 0. Now 9 from 0 9 only. So what is the answer? What is you get answer is 9,000. What is that? 9,000. Okay, understand? Now, as it is same question, write the largest 5-digit number and largest 4-digit number. Find their difference. As it is same question given here. Again one time I will doing here problem. Carefully understand here. See, very easy. Here what asking? Largest 5-digit number. Okay, largest 5-digit number. And next one, largest 4-digit number. You are asking largest 4-digit number. Now you write largest 5-digit number. What you know already? 5 whole nines. 9. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So what is the number name? 99,999. So here write largest 4-digit number. You know already 9,999. So this is the largest 4-digit number. You do what now? Subtraction. So very easy this. Again one time same. Ones place below ones place, tens place below tens place, 100th place below 100th place, and 1,000 place below 1,000 place. Here 10,000 place below nothing is there. So leave there. Now do subtract 9 from 9. 0, again 9 from 9, 0, 9 from 9, 0, 9 from 9, 0, now 9 from nothing, you get 9. So what is the answer? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. What is the answer here? 90,000. Understood? Very easy questions. So now we are going to again one third subbit. Which is the largest 5-digit number? They are asking which is the largest 4-digit number, find their sum. So here given largest 5-digit number, then what asking? Largest 5-digit number, and then downside largest 4-digit number. You take first one largest 5-digit number take, then after you take largest 4-digit number take, then after you find sum. There what asking? Sum. You know sum means what? Addition. Here also given, sir, just before you told sum. Sum means what? Addition, I know that. You also know. But here given difference asking here. Difference. Now you do here sum. Sum means what? Addition. Okay. Now here do addition. So see here. Largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number. You take already, you did here. Largest 5-digit number what? 99,999. Then after you take largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number also you know. What is that largest 4-digit number? 9,999. Again one time you carefully write here. Ones place below ones place, tens place below tens place, 100 place below 100 place, 1,000 place below 1,000 place, 10,000 below nothing is there, leave it there. Now you do what asking here? Which is the largest 4-digit number? Find their sum. Here what asking? Sum find out. Sum means what? Like addition. So 9 from 9, sorry, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 means you know 18. In this 18, ones place what? 8. You write 8 ones place below. Tens place have here 1. This 1 you give to carry to tens place. Now 9 plus 9. How much? 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Here write 9. Give 1, carry 19. Again 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, same 19. Again 9. You give to carry here 1,000 place 1. 9 plus 9, 18. Again plus 1, 19. 9. Again here give 1, what? Carry. Then after what? 9 plus 1, 10. So you get what is the answer? Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place. So what is the answer? 1,09,998. Okay, beta? Understand now? This is the question. So next we will go to fourth bit. Write down the place value of 5 in each of the numbers given below. So very easy. I will explain now. Carefully understand this. So here, write down the place value of 5 in each of the numbers given below. So I am writing here first of all questions. Carefully understand here. 3759. Next second one. 75,624. Next third one. 46,085. Next fourth one. 6,541. Next fifth one. 23,506. Next sixth one. 54,327. Now here given this is the questions, you write now place values. What write here? Place values. So again I will repeat here this question. Write down the place value of 5 in each of the numbers given below. Here place value asking which number, that 5 number. Here have 5, here have 5, here also have 5, here 5, here 5, here 5. So now these 5 digit place value right now. You know what is the place value? Now you go to the first question. This is 1st place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Now 1st place, which number have here? 9. So they are asking which place value? 5 number place value asking. 5 have here. 5 which place have? 10th place. 1st place, 5 have 10th place. 5 10th place have. So 10 5 is 50. 5 number have here. So 5 here. Into 5 which place have? 1st, 10th. So 10th place. That's why 5 10 is 50. So what is the place value of 5? 50. What is the place value of 5? 50. Very simple. Next, here go with 5. Here second one, see here 5. See again one time. This is 1st place, 10th place, 100th place. So here 1000th place. What is that? 5 have here. This 5 1000th place. 1000th place means 5. So suppose 5 right here. Next 5 which place have? 1st, 10th, 100th, 1000th place. So 1000. So 5 into 1000. You know 5000. So what is the place value of this second question? 5000. Understand? Now third question. Here have 5. What is the place value of these 5? Only here have 1's place. So 5 have 1's place. So 5 right. 5 which place? 1's place. 1's place equal to 5 1 the 5. So what is the answer here? 5. Understand? Anybody doubt here? Very good. Next. Here I have question. Fourth question. In this fourth question, you write 5 of the place value. So here 1's, 10's, 100's. So here have 5 which place? 100th place. So 5 into 100, 500. So what is the place value of this 5? 500. Now you go with fifth question. In 1's place, 10's place, 100th place. Here have 5. Again same. 5 have 5. Which place have 100th place? So 5 into 100, 500. Understand? Very easy. You carefully understand and write your book with pencil. Perfectly write. Next one. Sixth question. 1st place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Here 5 which place is there? 10,000 place. You know already 10,000. 5 into 10,000. So 5 into 10,000 what will are? 50,000. So what is the place value of 5 in this number? 50,000. Understand these questions? Okay? Okay. Thank you. We will discuss next